2 days ago, I just realized what's the exact thing which stops everyone. Like ये गलती मैं भी करता हूँ, ये गलती तू भी करता है. Like, is it not funny? All of us want to get something out of life, yet at the same time, we just cannot figure it out. Is it not fucking funny, man? Anyways, long story short, मैं कुछ दिन पहले I had gone to buy a new SIM ताकि उसमें मैं WhatsApp एक्टिवेट करके I can use it. I love using WhatsApp instead of email. I wanted to send out like outreach messages. I wanted to reach out to people, book meetings, sign clients. जो communication भी होती है, like जो लोग मान लो मेरा सॉफ्टवेयर है उसमें एक वो ₹1 का ट्रायल ऑफर करते हैं. सो समवन हु बाइज एंड जस्ट स्टार्ट्स द ट्रायल उसको जो एक्सेस होता है सारी चीज़ें के लिए आई जस्ट वांटेड अ न्यू व्हाट्सएप नंबर, क्योंकि जो अभी का व्हाट्सएप था द मेन व्हाट्सएप नंबर विच आई हैव इट वाज ऑनेस्टली गेटिंग बहुत ज़्यादा मेसी बिकॉज सो मेनी मैसेजेस एवरीथिंग was going on over there. So I was like, yeah, I'll just go to get a new number. Anyways, it was a pretty beautiful morning. December थी तो सर्दी हो रही थी and obviously I would love to be out in the sun. धूप थी, सब बढ़िया चल रहा था, गर्मी हो रही थी and I had gone to the gym. I had a pretty good session, everything, came home and I was like, let's just go and buy the SIM now. So I got in the car with my mom and she was driving us to the store. Like the place where I live, there was just one store over here and I had to open Google Maps and I opened everything. We were finally around 1.5 kilometers away from the store and my mom was like, bro, this is done. Like इसके आगे अब आप खुद जाओगे. मैंने बोला लाइक क्या दिक्कत हो गई, लाइक 1.5 किलोमीटर पैदल जाने में इट विल टेक मी अराउंड 10-15 मिनट्स, so पूरा लाइक आधा घंटा लगेगा. वाई नॉट जस्ट गेट इट डन इन लाइक 5 मिनट्स एंड जस्ट लीव दिस प्लेस. एंड शी वॉज लाइक ये जो जगह है, like last time when I came here we got stuck, car में traffic में everything, and that sounds like such a normal thing. I know it's a very छोटी सी चीज़, like इतनी कोई बड़ी चीज़ नहीं होगी, but अगले दिन I was just going on a random walk and it just hit me, man. Like past में जो चीज़ होती है that stops us from getting what you want in the future. No, sure, she had a very genuine and a valid point over there. उस दिन जब वो गई थी बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, शाम का टाइम था, ट्रैफिक था, गाड़ी को निकालना वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. बट द मॉर्निंग वेयर वी वेंट, लाइक जिस दिन हम सुबह गए थे, इट वॉज अराउंड 11 AM. पूरी धूप थी, कुछ नहीं था. द एंटायर रोड वॉज एम्प्टी. मैं खुद पैदल भी गया था, इट वॉज कंप्लीटली एम्प्टी एंड द एंटायर थिंग कुड हैव बीन डन इन लाइक अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. शी इज लाइक इट्स नथिंग रॉन्ग विद हर, इट्स अ ह्यूमन कंडीशन जो मुझ में भी है, तुझ में भी है. पास्ट में कुछ छोटी सी चीज जो हुई थी दैट स्टॉप्ड फ्रॉम डूइंग द राइट थिंग इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल. इन द फ्यूचर द राइट थिंग वाज जस्ट टू लाइक गेट द वर्क डन क्विकली, बट जस्ट बिकॉज समथिंग बैड हैड हैपेंड इन द पास्ट, इवन दो इट्स नॉट हैपनिंग राइट नाउ, इवन दो एवरीथिंग सेज ये चीज नहीं होगी, लाइक यू कैन यूज योर ओन आई, सी एविडेंस, एवरीथिंग, शी लेट दैट पास्ट अफेक्ट अस right now. And the same thing is happening. I'm going to give you a simple example. I've noticed this mistake अपनी खुद की लाइफ में. Whenever I train legs, मैंने अपने दिमाग में एक बेंचमार्क बना रखा है. There is a certain weight on the leg press and जो स्क्वाट की मशीन है जिसमें मैं कई महीने से अटक रखा हूँ. Now the reason I don't go above them is मेरे दिमाग में लाइक लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने किया था महीनों पहले, तब उस वेट को जब मैं बढ़ाता था I started having थोड़ा बहुत दर्द in my knees. Obviously उस टाइम पे I was weak, maybe I was lifting weight I should not be lifting. I was not as strong as I am right now. Obviously time के साथ you get stronger. But because of that, because of the limit, and I'm like uncovering all of this life, I did not script it out. ऐसे अभी खुद ही दिमाग में एग्जाम्पल्स आ रहे हैं. Because of that limitation, जो महीनों पहले मैंने दिमाग में बनी थी कि घुटने में दर्द होता है, जब भी मैं उस वेट के पास वो तो कुछ ना कुछ बहाना आ जाता है. लाइक लेट्स से दैट वेट इज सिंप्लिसिटी पर्पसेस के लिए, लाइक लेट्स से 100 kgs, जब मैं 90-95 kgs पे वापस आता हूँ तब पता नहीं कुछ चोट लग जाती है. एंड इट्स आई डोंट इवन नो हाउ इट हैपेंस. कहीं से भी चोट लग जाएगी रैंडमली एंड आई स्किप द जिम फॉर अ कपल ऑफ वीक्स, देन आई स्टार्ट अगेन, लाइक चोट लगी तो इसलिए छोड़ता हूँ, एंड देन आई स्टार्ट अगेन. ऑब्वियसली एक थोड़े लोअर पोजीशन से स्टार्ट करता हूँ, लेट्स से 70 kgs, 80 kgs, धीरे 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 90-95 तक पहुंचता, और 100 कभी क्रॉस नहीं होता. 100 is a very simple weight, like for illustration purposes. And that is only because past में एक बार वो चीज़ हुई थी जिसकी वजह से अभी भी दिक्कत आ रही है. लाइक it's honestly like genuinely screwed up. Whatever you want in life, which you genuinely want apne dil se, like the first thing which comes to your head, the last thought which you have when you go to sleep, if you're trying to get it, if you're putting in the reps, everything, and you're still struggling with it, I promise you, at least मेरे में तो यही देखा है मैंने, if you genuinely go on a walk रात को and you just try to look back, why exactly is this not happening? I'm trying, I'm giving it my everything. It's gonna be a stupid reason. Like, I remember one day, very exactly, बहुत अच्छे से याद है example. I have the feeling that whenever, like, it's a genuine belief, like a negative belief which I have, is that if someone does not go ahead with the transaction on call, they will never become a customer of mine. And that is because when I was starting out, there was a guy and he was like a little millionaire. He was a millionaire. He used to live in Auckland, like Punjabi आदमी था. His name was Amandeep Vora and he was a millionaire, पूरा trading वगैरह सारी चीज़ करता था. And he used to live in Auckland. And he paid me, he was like, he booked a call with me, like 200-300 रुपए की. I was just starting out, I was knew everything. And he was like, Somil bro, I see your Instagram, you live cool life, you get girl, blah, blah, blah. And I have everything. I have the money, I have literally everything. Like all the materialistic things people want. I've been living in New Zealand, like I moved here since when I was like 18, 20 years old. And I made my wealth as well, I've investing in stocks, सारी चीज़ थी. But जब मैं इंडिया में था तब मेरे पास दिक्कत थी. आई वॉज ऑलवेज द शाई टिपिकल किड जैसे सारे लोग होते हैं. एंड आई वॉज नेवर गुड विद गर्ल्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ. सो सोमल, कैन यू जस्ट हेल्प मी लाइक सेट अप एन इंस्टाग्राम जैसे कि तुम्हारा है एंड दैट विल हेल्प मी अट्रैक्ट गर्ल्स लाइक यू एवरीथिंग. आई वाज लाइक या ब्रो, ओके कूल. एंड आई वॉज न्यू एट दैट टाइम एंड आई डिड नॉट नो व्हाट टू charge and all. So I was like, yeah, it's gonna be 20K. And at that point of time, like 20K was a very high ticket amount for me, literally. And he was like, cool, done. And मैंने उसको बोला, ओके सो हाउ वुड यू लाइक टू पे. आई जेन्युइनली डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट कि वो बंदा हाँ बोल देगा लाइक इंस्टाग्राम सेटअप करने के लिए 20,000. इट वाज लाइक, आई एम गोना पे यू लाइक 5K राइट नाउ. एंड उसके बाद लाइक थोड़े टाइम में जैसी मेरी सैलरी वापस आएगी और सारी चीज़ हो जाएगी, आई एम गोना पे यू द रिमेनिंग 15K. I was like, okay, totally cool. He then paid me the 5,000 rupees. He paid it to me. And after all of that stuff, we started everything. Like अगले दिन I went on a call with him. I taught him the basics of everything. सारी चीज़ उसको समझाने लग गया. He was like, okay bro, this makes sense. He followed what I asked him to do for like 1 day, for like 2 days. And obviously he उसके बाद like just fucking left and ghosted me. I was like, bro, like this is what you're supposed to do right now. आज ये चीज़ करनी है, वो चीज़ करनी है, कल ये चीज़ करनी है. And he just started leaving me on red. He was ghosting me. And that negative experience led me to believe if someone does not pay the full amount on call, not only are they uninterested, not only will they ghost you in the freaking future, but at the same time, they're never gonna pay the full invoice. And that's the negative belief which I had in my head. So obviously not everyone has the funds to pay you in full initially. And whenever we used to sign someone on which we agreed for like a future payment, something like that, like partial payment accept kiya, I always treated them like not in the best way. If I'm being really honest, if I'm sachi bolu to, I was like, yeah bro, like they're probably gonna leave. And that negative thing probably was the reason. Like it's a negative feedback loop. I had one negative experience which led me to believe ये बंदा पैसे नहीं देगा, फ्यूचर में चला जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से मैंने उसको उस तरीके से ट्रीट किया कि वो जेन्युइनली फ्यूचर में चला जाएगा, नॉट गिविंग माई एवरीथिंग, फुल अटेंशन, ऑल ऑफ द स्टफ. एंड दैट री इन्फोर्स द नेगेटिव बिलीफ वो बंदा फ्यूचर में चला जाएगा क्योंकि वो बंदा चला जाता है. डू यू सी हाउ दिस नेगेटिव साइकिल, दिस नेगेटिव फीडबैक लूप कैसे सारी चीज़ों पर चला जाता है. I'm not gonna lie, like I started recording this video, like this is the second time I'm recording it. 10-20 सेकेंड हो गए थे. And then my partner called me and there's a person like pretty successful guy and I pitched him a retainer for $3,000 a month. And at 4:30 my partner called me. Usually he's like, ब्रो लाइक वी हैव द फाइनल क्लोजिंग कॉल, लाइक उसका एक पार्टनर भी है विप्लव नाम का, लाइक प्रिटी फेमस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल, एंड ही वॉज लाइक उसका पार्टनर भी आएगा एंड वी शेयर्ड ऑल द प्रपोज लिटरली एवरीथिंग, एंड ही वाज लाइक कॉल पे आ जाना सारी चीज़ हो जाएगी. आई वाज लाइक डैम ओके कूल. बट मेरे दिल में एक बिलीफ था कि इट विल बी अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम बिकॉज ही इज़ नॉट गोना पे, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट नेगेटिव लिमिटिंग स्टफ in my head. And that's just because Amandeep, who I met like more than 6 months ago, when I was a complete retard, when I used to think like 20K is a high ticket thing. Uski wajah se, I'm gonna say no to like a multi lakh a month deal. And this negative thing could have very well been the thing which is affecting me. Like, do you now see how fucked it is? In the past, we all have experienced something which was not the best, and based on that experience, we make our future shit. And that's the funniest thing. We all have dreams, and what does a dream imply? That's something which you don't have right now. And the only thing which is fucking stopping us is a negative past experience. That day when the car got stuck, that left a negative imprint in the mind of my mother. And she was like, I'm not going to go on that shitty street again because last time I got stuck, even though it was an empty street. जब वो क्या नाम था उसका, अमनदीप बंदा था, he is a completely different person. He had the identity of the person who was not consistent. The person I'm getting on a call with, he has already built his SMMA agency to like 10-15 lakhs a month. And he needs a help with the new offer which they're currently setting up. And just because of that retard, because उस बंदे की वो नेगेटिव पर्सनालिटी ट्रेट थी कि वो बंदा एक्शन नहीं लेता था सारी चीज़ें, आई एम जजिंग हिम, एंड उस जजमेंट की वजह से प्रोबेबली आई माइट हैव लॉस्ट द डील. एंड माई ड्रीम्स, लाइक मेरा जो सपना है विच इज द करंट रेवेन्यू गोल आई हैव इन माई हेड, दिस डील इज कंड्यूसिव टू दैट. This is going to move me a step closer towards that. But just because of that stupid thing which happened in the past, I would have like freaking ruined it. And I'm breaking all these negative things live. Like, I'm going to give you another example. And I'm not going to take a name वरना ज़्यादा चिढ़ जाएगी. There was a girl in October 2023. अक्टूबर 22 के आसपास मैं गोवा गया था. So उससे पहले I met her a couple of weeks before that, and I just spoke to her like I was bored, if I'm being really honest, and no one else was there. And I texted her a bit and I spoke to her. सारी चीज़ बढ़िया हो गई, and she started liking me after that. And I genuinely did not like her back, and she got pretty freaking attached. I posted like I was in that typical gym phase, posting thirst traps, everything. I posted a image of myself. I had a towel wrapped around and I was looking pretty good, like six pack, all the veins, all of that. Nice stuff. And she replied to that, Somil, you look so good, blah, 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 all of that typical stuff. Like, I don't want to get into coupley stuff on this channel. And then I went to Goa. Goa mein obviously I was away from her, everything for like a week or so. And I enjoyed life. It was one of the best trips of my life. And सब बढ़िया चल रहा था, सब मज़े कर रहा था. And then I got back. उसके बाद she wanted to meet me again. But I was not really interested. मेरा इतना कोई मन नहीं था. And I was like, okay, like, you know, you make those excuses कि नहीं मिलना, हाँ, I'm busy, I have to do that thing. Even though I was like just fooling around. उस time पे the only focus of my life was getting bigger pumps, like fatter pumps in the gym. And just being the quote-unquote social person, like, you know, the social life which you see on Instagram. Like, that's all I wanted to do. I was still in school at that period of time, and that was my identity. And I just started making excuses. I was busy, blah, blah, blah. And with time, I rejected her in a very polite way. मुझे कुछ उसका बुरा नहीं करना था. I did not want any negative, wrong thing to happen. I was like, okay, bro, like, if she likes me, she's a genuine person for that. That's a genuine feeling. But I genuinely did not like her back. And ये सारी चीज़ हो जाती है. आई डोंट नो वाई, मैंने तो उसको कुछ बुरा भी नहीं बोला था. शी टुक इट वेरी पर्सनली एंड शी स्टार्टेड हेटिंग मी आफ्टर दैट. लाइक, जब भी मिलता हूँ, स्टिल समटाइम्स मीट हर, लाइक समटाइम्स आई स्टम्बल अपॉन हर, शी इज़ वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुल, एक ढंग से बात करती है, बट पीठ के पीछे शी इज लाइक सोमिल इज द एब्सोल्यूट शिटिएस्ट पर्सन. एंड शी गॉट अ न्यू बॉयफ्रेंड हु इज माई फ्रेंड. आई डिड नॉट टेल हिम जो भी उसको पहले पसंद था. लाइक वाई शुड आई स्पीक अबाउट समवन्स पास्ट. एंड शी टेल्स everyone I look extremely ugly, and because of that, the prettier girls who liked me, I thought they did not like me. Then those girls went to all these ugly people who they or like everyone would agree are uglier than me. Sorry, and I'm not saying like I'm a handsome looking guy, something like that. But if people say I am ugly, they were like 10 times uglier. And I lost out on life, on experiences, just because she said I was ugly, which was not even true, because she said it just because she got rejected. Because I have screenshots of her DMing me, I look so freaking good. Do you now see how freaking terrible it is? अब समझ आ रहा है कैसे वो पूरा नेगेटिव फीडबैक लूप जाता रहता है. You have a negative experience, you believe this is how the world works. Because of that belief, you take actions because we have a confirmation bias और वो belief सच होता है. You have another experience to convince yourself that जिस चीज़ में तू विश्वास करते वो चीज़ सही है, तो ये करती जाती है, साइकिल चलती जाती है. And we let our fucking past ruin and decide our future. For example, I remember in 10th grade when I was addicted to like Fortnite, the video game. I was playing Fortnite घंटों के लिए like 6 से 10 घंटे के आसपास every single day. And I had a friend of mine. His name was, let's call him A. And he was extremely good at Fortnite. And वो बंदा अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे लाइक क्लिप्स जो होती थी, जो बेसिकली हाईलाइट मोमेंट्स होते थे, जब बहुत अच्छे से लाइक बिल्डिंग करते थे सारी चीज़ें, एंड यूज टू किल द पर्सन इन द वीडियो गेम. ही यूज टू टेक आउट दीज क्लिप्स एंड देन ही यूज टू लाइक पोस्ट इट अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज पे. उस बंदे ने ऐसे ही स्टार्ट किया था लाइक पोस्ट करना. मैं उसको देखता जा रहा था, बहन जो लाइक इसका तो ग्रो भी हो रहा है, सारी चीज़ हो रही है. धीरे धीरे उसने यूट्यूब पे स्ट्रीमिंग स्टार्ट कर दी. एंड एक इंडिया में ई स्पोर्ट्स की कंपनी थी, दे स्टार्टेड लाइक दे अप्रोच्ड हिम एंड दे स्टार्टेड पेइंग हिम अ सैलरी एज वेल. एंड मैंने सोचा ब्रो ये बंदा कर रहा है, मैं भी तो कर सकता हूँ. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इट वाज अ स्टूपिड ड्रीम आई हैड ऑफ बिकमिंग लाइक एन ई स्पोर्ट्स प्लेयर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड आई स्टार्टेड दैट. मैंने वो चीज़ शुरू कर दी. एंड मैंने जब पोस्ट किया, आई थॉट मेरी लाइक ज़्यादा बढ़िया थे, क्योंकि पता नहीं मैं सारी बढ़िया चीज़ें कर रहा था. बट तब भी मुझे 2 लाइक आ रहे थे, और वो बंदे को लाइक 200,000 व्यूज़ आराम से आ रहे थे. एंड आई कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड मुझे में दिक्कत क्या थी. दैट प्रोबेबली बिल्ड द नेगेटिव बिलीफ ग्रोइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम इज नॉट फॉर मी. एंड एवरी सिंगल डे आई गो विद दैट बिलीफ. लाइक लिटरली जब मुझे 1-2 लोग फॉलो करते हैं, आई एम नॉट एन इंस्टाग्राम मास्टर, समथिंग लाइक दैट. व्हेन पीपल फॉलो मी, I think something is genuinely wrong with me. Like, that's not the identity which I have. And Instagram is just another form of leverage. An audience over there is just another form of leverage. जिसको future में you can cash it out, you can use it to make money, everything. You can use it to build connections, you can use it to get yourself in doors which you might not have unlocked earlier, maybe without it, because of your fame, cloud, connections, everything. एंड आई एम मिसिंग आउट ऑन दैट विच इज कंड्यूसिव टू द अल्टीमेट लाइफ विच आई वॉन्ट, जहाँ पे और चीज़ें बढ़िया होगी. जस्ट बिकॉज 10th क्लास में जब मैं एक मोटा, आई वॉज लाइक अ फैट, डिप्रेस, सुसाइडल पीस ऑफ शिट, दैट वर्जन ऑफ सौमिल, he posted a reel of his Fortnite gameplay and it got like 2 likes. Is that not freaking stupid? Like, does it not make so much of sense? We just ruin our lives because something wrong happened in the past. And we just think ऐसी चीज़ें चलती रहेगी. Like I have a like simple example, one more like last example probably, I don't want to bore you. My dad used to say, and he was right at that period of time. He used to say I'm not a disciplined person, and he was 100% right. Like ये उस टाइम की बात है when I did not even used to like fucking shower and brush my teeth. I was like down fucking bad. And he used to say like I have zero discipline, कुछ नहीं है, ये वो सारी चीज़ें. And he was like completely correct. तब उन्होंने जो चीज़ बोली पूरी सही थी. But then that identity ingrained in my head, and I knew for a certainty, जैसे ये वीडियो खत्म होगा, there's a very high chance like I'm gonna like check out my phone. Because I have that identity that I'm not a disciplined person, I cannot be consistent, and because I've done work which is nice, which is conducive, like a high leverage task, which is recording videos, everything, I'm gonna think like, this is not the way I'm supposed to act. I'm supposed to be the person who's undisciplined and who's अनकंसिस्टेंट तो वर्ड ही नहीं होता. And that's why I'm gonna scroll reels for a couple of minutes, then I'm gonna feel bad, and उसके बाद मैं बाहर जाऊंगा कुछ करूंगा. That's fucking me up. That's a 3-4 year old thing which is still fucking up my current self, which is stopping me from getting what I want. And this is a mistake like literally everyone is making, bro. Like literally everyone. So just figure it out. What are the genuine things which happened in the past which might be negatively affecting you? And the only thing is like awareness. जितना इसके बारे में सोचोगे, just go out on a walk at night. Like if you want to like have an idea what you should do to fix it, I have another channel called Sawmill Unfiltered where I literally just go on a walk at night and put my phone on this, like this, मुंह के सामने, and it's just like a voice note of me basically figuring out what I can do, what I can improve, just auditing my day, everything. Just go on a walk like that, रात को. You don't have to like do it just because it'll get me like views, like monetization. Nothing is on over there. I don't pitch anything. I don't make any profit. Watch one episode, figure out this is maybe something I can do, and then just go out on a walk every single night and just figure it out. And slowly by slowly, like you put every piece of the puzzle, and boom, you have built yourself a beautiful house. Yeah, man, that's all I had to say. Stop fucking letting your past affect your present and ruin your future. And if you want to run a profitable online business in complete automation, I have an entire platform saying literally everything you need. You can get started for just 1 rupee. Try it out for 30 days for a rupee. You got like nothing to lose. Yeah, that's it. Bye.